Today I'm going to show you these LED matrix panel lights, and you can kind of see here we got some eyeballs going on. So what you get first off is you get the two different panels. These are connected by a USB-C right there. And then you've got a couple different options. You can use the cigarette lighter adapter. You can, I'll show you that. Here you go. You can use this adapter here. You can also plug it into a power box. Each of these has their own source, so turning on and off is very easy. And all this comes in this box here. You also get the, this is the instruction book. This is going to go through all the things in detail. Like you can do words, you can do eyeballs, you can do cute little sayings, direction signals. It also comes with this. When I do the demo tonight, when it gets dark, I'm going to show you what everything looks like in the dark. So fun and cool. And then it also comes with the install tape. So I'm going to get these installed and we'll come back and show you tonight. Well, here they are all set up. Kind of go through, I've got the remote here. Kind of change them through this remote. Do all sorts of fun things. Baby on board, just lots of fun stuff. You can put these in the front, in the back. They have really nice long cords. These are awesome. I'll show you the app just so you can see how cool that looks, but super, super fun. I want to give you a quick look at the app and just show you a couple of options here. You've got where you can do your own text, and it allows you to pick, your different fonts and colors. There's galleries here that you can go to. All that stuff you can put on the screen. So it really gives you a lot of fun things to do. I mean, just crazy. So fun. But yeah, you can pretty much do anything, change it all with the seasons. It was super easy to set up, and I highly recommend.